Hi, my name is Esther Salami, and you're welcome to Trending Today on the News Chronicle TV. Now, these are the stories that have been trending all over social media. First up, President Musk. Yes, you heard me right. President Musk has been trending on X because of Elon Musk's increasing influence on the US government. Now, if you don't know, Musk was made the head for a newly found Department of Government Efficiency. You heard me right. And he's been pushing, and ever since he was instated, he has been pushing for a lot of policies. One of them, one of the most significant one, is stopping USAID. Now, this has caused massive protests across United States of America. There are a lot of countries, and there are also a lot of organizations that rely on USAID. So this has hit a lot of persons really hard. However, Donald Trump said he would reveal it and would know what his final decision is. Still on US, Donald Trump and the United States and China are like head to head in what you describe a tariff war. Donald Trump finally imposed the 10% tariff hike on all Chinese imported products to the United States. And in retaliation, President Xi Jinping also imposed a tariff on all United States crude oil products to China. So the two presidents have decided to meet. We'll see how that turns out. And then still on the matter of tariff, in Nigeria, NLC has decided to suspend, their planned protests, which would have commenced today. Federal government said they were going to review the tariff plan and all. So I'm really happy about that development. So it's a good thing for the labor workers, in Nigeria. And then the Naira has been doing remarkably well because of the reducing demand of the dollar. It's appreciated to 1,610 Naira per dollar. So it's really good. I mean, with everything happening in the United States, it's also commendable that the Naira is doing well. So these are the stories I have for you today. Make sure to check out our website, the news chronicle.com, to read more stories like this, and also be sure to like and subscribe to our channel if you want to get more information on what's happening in Nigeria and across the globe. Make sure to share this channel to your friends and your family, and I will see you another time. Bye bye.